So remember cohesion, adhesion, capillary action, and surface tension. So come on, let's dive into that activity. We are back, and this is the water droplet activities. We got our pipettes here. You can definitely do this at home if you have the materials. You can definitely do this with us. So we have our pipettes, our 2 pennies, and our cup of water. Be careful not to spill it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our pipette here. Make sure you press it first, and then you're gonna let it release. And we got some water here. So of course you know that this is a water droplet as I do this. So what we're gonna do is we got our water, and we're gonna see how many drops until the water off the penny breaks. So Brian, how many drops do you think of water do you think the water is gonna break?
5.
You think 15?
I think 5.
You said 5? Oh, that is good. All right, you say 5. What about you, Miss Shirley? How many?
I say 25.
25? Ooh,
Yeah.
all right.
What about you?
One time I did see a person go up to 100 drops.
100 drops.
Yeah, 100 drops without
Wow.
breaking it. So that's kind of like either not 100 or probably 50. That's kind of like my goal. That's how I see how much water. So let's see. All right.
That's like you can do.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, there goes 5. 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, that was fast. 10. Oh, we got into the double digits. 11. Oh, that didn't count. It didn't break. It just dropped. Okay, so we got 10. 11, 12, 13. Oh, it's sliding. 14, 15, 16, 17. Oh man, you see it's going off the edge. 18, 19. Oh, it's on the edge. 20. See that? It's actually like so close off the edge. So I'm at 20, 21.
22, 23. Oh, 24.
Oh,
Right.
oh,
my
you're
gosh.
off. Oh my goodness.
Oh, I was like, guess it was 25.
25 for you? Okay, so I'm at 21, 22, 23. Oh, 23.
23.
So it
No,
can't
I think it was the paper.
Yeah, it was paper. I think it was a paper.
The paper definitely went against us,
Yeah.
everybody.
Okay. 23. I think round 2 should be better. So
Round two?
okay. So we made it to 23 and 25. So you think it's gonna be higher this time? Think it's gonna be higher, Bryson or Selena? Oh, Brian and Selena. You think it's gonna be higher this time? Because we went from 23 drops to 25. Or you think it's gonna be lower?
Or do you think it's going to stay the same?
No, I think we might be able to surpass 23 to 25 drops.
Why don't we take this piece of paper out first? I
Oh.
think it went against us.
I know, right? It was like, yeah, we'll soak up all the water. I think we'll definitely do better for round 2.
Can you see the penny right here?
Yep.
Yes.
All right. So round 2.
Here we go.
All right, I'm giving it 30, probably 30.
I'm going to go for 50.
50?
I'm going
Ooh,
for
big
50.
50. All right. 50. Okay. 30, 50. All right, let's see. 1,
2,
2,
3, 4,
4,
5, 6, 7, 8,
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Wow, you getting full over there. 14, 15, 16, 18,
Oh, I'm at 27.
19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Hold up, I gotta fill more water.
Oh, 38.
Whoa, 38, almost close to 40. Okay, so what number? 20, was that 23? 23, okay. I refill. 24, oh, you see that? 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, oh, exactly at 30. So you went 38, so 30, 38, wow.
Yeah.
And you see that, look at that. It forms like a huge bubble before it breaks. All that is that surface tension holding up, mixed with the adhesion and the cohesion, holding up the water together.
Do you see that?
That's
Can you
actually
see the
pretty
little
cool.
jiggle?
Yeah, that's the water. So that's how cohesion, adhesion, and surface tension work. But I'm gonna show you a good example of how capillary action works. So we have this napkin, as you know, a regular napkin. And it's made out of paper, so it's really kind of thin, it's really absorbent. So I'm gonna kind of roll up this paper just like this tissue, and I'm gonna bring the cup, and you see it's completely dry as you see it.
No magic here.
No magic here, just the science of water. So what do you think is gonna happen before I do? What do you think is gonna happen as soon as I put the tissue in the water? What do you think is gonna happen? It's okay to unmute.
Okay, you can definitely feel free to unmute and answer.
So before I do it, I'm gonna put a stop to it. What do you think is gonna happen as soon as I put the tissue in the water? Just think about it. And then you can unmute and say what you think. Anybody got any answers?
Selena, Brian?
The tissue should become soggy.
Think it's gonna get what? Okay, that's good.
It's soggy, so I have a bunch of water on it.
Okay, that's good. I like that observation. That's real good. How about you, Selena?
I think maybe it will start.
It will get soggy too?
Yeah, I think it'll get soggy.
All right, that's good. All right, I love it. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, you see that? You see how that water's traveling up?
Oh, wow.
That is what capillary action is. It's slowly absorbing all that water, and that strong force that I told you about the water is bringing that water all the way up. That's how it can climb. You see that? As soon as I dip, it traveled up. So I'm gonna show you again so you can see that. So regular paper, and I want you to see how it travels up. I'm gonna do it to the side so you can see it. Yep. Let's switch it up a little bit. Oh yeah. So I'm gonna do it this way. So you can see it for yourself how the water travels up, that capillary action.
Notice how fast it travels up too.
You see?
See?
See how that water's climbing up? That, my friends, is how capillary action works. Right there. It went from all the way from the tip and it moved, it climbed all the way up towards the napkin, the drier ends of the napkin. That's how capillary action works. So I hope you all really learned something from this activity, and please feel free to do this activity. It's so fun to do when you want something new or when you want to do something like a little bit of with water, like, you could probably do this activity. So a lot of people, even with pennies, you can get pennies, dimes, nickels, quarters to see the different types of droplets, how long and how much water droplets it can hold for different types of coins. So you can test that out. So I hope you all learned from this activity, and please share what you learned today about the activity.